things. And one of the things which I personally feel that every individual has got some sort of, skills. Succession planning should not be only related to manager role. It's not about only team role. I can be an individual contributor and I can success into that and reach to a level. Maybe I do not have a people skill. Maybe I do not have a certain skill which is all to do with a collaboration. I'm good in one particular part of it. So when we as HRs we are there and we have to work closely with L&D team, definitely. The one part which we need to see is we are the architects. We need to find the skills in each and every employee and see where and how that individual can grow. Whether that person can grow individually as an individual contributor can lead to a higher level also. Definitely cannot come to a CEO level, but can reach to a higher level. Because if that individual is put into a people role, definitely would not be able to perform. So that is something which we need to define, whether individual succession planning can be done as an IC, whether the person is good in collaborating with different teams, which means the person can be good in working on a project. Or an individual can get into a people management role, wherein that individual can teach or get a collaboratively work done and department head he or she can lead up to. So when we talk about succession planning, it should not only limit to people skills, people manager skill. It should somewhere even think about an individual person who is good in contributing, being an IC, and still has a very much growth in the organization and can lead to a particular position. So that is something which an HR should define, can sit with people across, and while we are doing that individual development plan with each and every employee, when we put across what is your assessment is done by us. IDP should be given to them. Decide your plan, decide your growth. Are you good, or you want to put an effort where you see I do not have a skill with regards to interacting with people or interacting with different departments. That particular skill, if an individual says I need to learn, as an HR you can work with the L&D team and plan a training for them. That's where at the first level itself it will be helpful. So there are three different things. One is somebody who would like to grow as an IC. Second, somebody who would like to grow into a collaborative working style. Somebody who is good in particular department and good in people manager skill. You can plan a development, a training session or something accordingly. So this is what I would like to add in all the discussion.